Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USA Clean for 11 years, and this is the Tennant T500. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace the solution tank drain hose. Very simple. Here's how you do it. Down here at the bottom you have a hose clamp. What you want to do first is loosen this hose clamp. Just like that. Okay, now that we have the hose clamp loosened, we can pull it down from the top and then pull it off the bottom. Now have a couple of extra rags handy because you're going to have some excess water that may drip out. Now installing it, reverse your steps. Slide it on the bottom there. Slide it back up onto the top and then tighten that hose clamp back down. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.